Last week we were selling pound USD. Even if the price rose, guys, we were selling that correction. So what happened, guys? Initially, the price rose and do a correction, guys. And guys, after that, guys, had a big fall downwards. Okay, guys, the Euro USD profits are getting hit. So, guys, there is that. So the question remains, what are we going to do this week? I did not do a weekly analysis yesterday, so I'm going to do both a weekly one, then a daily one. So, guys, obviously, in my context, guys, I guess we are. Uh, if I drop down to the 4H for a much better support resistance. So, guys, I think as long as the price stays below 1.33624, guys, we are bearish for the week. And, guys, as long as we are bearish for the week, in my opinion, our first target would be 1.32191. And, guys, my next target would be 1.31083. And, guys, if the price breaks above this, we will be going for 1.34694. So here we are, guys. So I won't do an AI analysis for the weekly chart, guys. Let's just stick to the daily because we have to do a lot. So let's open the chart. Okay, guys. So this is the Euro USD. We were selling this and it's falling. Anyways, so, so guys, for today, of course, obviously we are bearish. Okay, no, sorry. What on on Friday, guys, we were buying this. The price went on to hit a first target. After hitting the first target, guys, it broke support, turned this support into resistance, and we had a big move down to bearish targets. So, guys, what are we going to do today? That is the question. And guys, for today, as long as the price stays below 1.33330, guys, we are bearish. And guys, my first target for today is 1.32462. And okay. And guys, my next target for today would be 1.32182. Instead, no, guys, what I will do is I'll delete this. My bearish target would be, because if we are bearish, guys, we're going to make a new low, and the first target would be 1.32128, 182, sorry. And for the for further target, guys, I have to look up the daily chart because the 4H is going to go way back. And guys, my next target would be 1.31311. And guys, if we break above 1.33495, guys, we will be going for 1.34358, in my opinion. Okay, guys, let's also do an AI analysis. I just upgraded the AI interface. It is under construction because I shifted it from one place to another place. Okay, guys, so what I did, I integrated the charts itself. So I'll just take the screenshots here in the chart. I don't have to go to and take manual screenshots. Featured, okay. Okay, so they've started sponsoring, huh? So where's Vantage? GBP USD. Okay, here we go. We got vantage. So guys, on the one edge, okay, guess the screenshot is right. Just take a screenshot, download image. Now go to the 4H. Okay, the 4H is kind of telling the same story. So instead, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the daily chart because the AI needs data, guys. If I give it data, it will give me an accurate analysis. Okay, guys, and I think this is enough or not. Okay, guys, let's take a screenshot here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, big picture. For the higher time frame, guys, I'm going to use the daily screenshot. For the mid time frame, guys, I'm going to use the 1H screenshot. Okay, request go. Oh, that's why it was confusing it. Okay, that's why it was giving fundamental analysis for both. Because we had an issue in the last Euro USD analysis, it was giving technical analysis for Euro, but the fundamental it was sharing for gold. So what are we going to do, guys? We have to choose the asset here. What it does is helps us save time. That's all. So okay, I've done FTM analysis, institutional deep scan. Okay, guys, I added an ad system so we can use it for free. So once I've done integrating it, I will be releasing it for free, guys. So you guys can use it because remember, guys, it always costs me money for hosting it, for running it. Each and every prompt costs me money. So I don't want to lose money. At least if I'm not making money, I don't want to lose it. So that's why I have to set this up. So guys, it's very strongly bearish, as Tom would say, very strongly. So its pivot entry area is from 1.32711 to 1.33324. You guys, in validation target analysis, a weekly outlook. Okay, formulated during the earnings session open on Monday. It is positioning for continuation of a strong bearish momentum building established at the end of the previous week. The strategy is based on a strong dimensional alignment. The daily chart provides the strategic bearish direction, while the average chart is used to define the tactical point in validation level at the most recent lower high. Final consensus is a classic top-down analysis. The daily 1D chart establishes a strong bearish trend, with price now attacking critical multi-week support zone. The H1 chart provides tactical confirmation showing a clear lower high has formed. The price is currently breaking the most recent 1H swing low. This alignment of bearish structure across both time frames creates a high probability environment for trend continuation. The severe geopolitical acceleration in Iran has ignited a risk of sentiment. Okay, blah blah blah, both equities and okay, pro critical currencies. Consequently, the risk-sensitive British pound is positioned for significant weakness against the dollar. Okay, guys. So as long as the price stays below 1.33324, the price is bearish. A break and close above this level would invalidate the immediate bearish structure and the potential correction. Okay, guys. Let's copy the setup. Get back to the chart. Okay, guys, I've made the text quite simpler. So as long as the price is below 1.33324, I can agree with this, guys. The same zone as mine. The targets are 1.32324. Okay, 32324. Okay, somewhere same as my first target almost. Second is 1.30050. Okay, it's a bit lower than my second target. Okay, I was using the daily chart, so let's see what happens, guys. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair and see you guys tomorrow.